Good evening, everyone. First Alert Weather, Chris Sullivan, dropping in right quick with a weather update for you all. Now, we are still tracking the chance for an isolated shower or storm to continue across West Texas as we go into the rest of this evening. Current check on the radar right now, most of us are in the clear, including us here in Midland and Odessa and back up to Big Spring. But we are finding a few isolated to widely scattered showers and storms firing up down toward the Trans-Pecos and down into the Davis Mountains. A little bit closer look at this area right now. Some light rain to even some moderate rain trying to make its way into Fort Stockton right now. This storm for the most part has been pulsing, so it's been increasing in some intensity and then decreasing just a little bit. But I wouldn't be surprised if a little bit of small hail kind of makes its way into Fort Stockton. Lightning and some brief downpours as well. Back off toward the south and west of Fort Stockton, a little bit of a storm trying to form up there. All of this activity is making its way off toward the east and northeast, and we'll continue to watch it as we go into this evening. Nothing severe with this activity at the moment, and some lighter rain and some light showers down toward the Alpine area, so some brief downpours can be possible toward that region. A little bit closer look here to Fort Stockton. Yeah, I can make up a little bit of some very small hail at times toward the south and west of Fort Stockton, and possibly a little bit of small hail, very, very small hail kind of moving into Fort Stockton. All of this, once again, is below severe limits, but it does have the potential to be a little strong at some points. I do have some better news for all of us. The Storm Prediction Center has removed the marginal risk and the slight risk here for parts of West Texas. All of us are just under the risk, for the most part, for some general storms throughout the rest of this evening, but I would rule out an isolated strong storm or two as we work our way into the late evening hours. There still is the chance for some gusty wind and some small hail out of any storm that manages to develop. So let's track this forward. Here's that isolated storm toward Fort Stockton. As it works its way off toward the east, it could hold itself together into the southeastern portions of the Permian Basin. And then as we go into the overnight hours, we're expecting any kind of strong or severe storm risk to pretty much go away here across West Texas. But into the overnight hours, a few spots of some light rain will be possible across our eastern counties. And then by tomorrow morning, rain chances will shift east of West Texas as we go forward. As the Pacific cold front moves on through, we'll see those rain chances end after tomorrow morning or